Has ADHD left your room resembling a nuclear disaster zone? Are you overwhelmed by the ever-growing mountains of clutter with no idea where to begin? Fear not. Coming soon from the No BS Approach, our first guided series that'll help you sort your room out in record time without the headache. Join us in conquering the chaos of your room, transforming the mundane into engaging task gamification. Are you ready to finally transform your domain into the serene sanctuary you deserve? The choice is yours. Subscribe now to finally kick chaos to the curb once and for all. The No BS Approach. Our first guided room tidy debuts on March 9th. Coming soon to a room near you.